Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear colleagues, I'm pleased and privileged to be among you as a participant in the 10th International Conference on Languages, Linguistics, Translation and Literature. I hope my presentation will add value and insight to the conference. Thank you. My presentation is going to be about ChatGPT, its role in facilitating cheating, plagiarizing, and scientific dishonesty among students. Introduction. The concept of machines that could think was first explored in early myths and philosophical ideas, but artificial intelligence, AI, as a field of study began in 1956 at workshop at Dartmouth College. This event, led by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky and others, is often considered the birth of AI. The goal was to explore how machines could simulate aspects of human intelligence such as reasoning and learning. The birth of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, with its first version released in June 2020. It is based on the GPT architecture, which was introduced by OpenAI in 2018. GPT models are designed to generate human-like texts by predicting the next word in a sequence using vast amounts of data for training. The evolution of ChatGPT. The evolution of ChatGPT has been marked by a variety of innovative uses and growing debates around its implications. Initially, ChatGPT was seen mainly as a tool for automating customer support or performing routine tasks, but it has increasingly become a valuable resource in learning environments. Its ability to process and generate human-like text has led to widespread applications in personalized learning, content generation, and even critical thinking development. The uses of ChatGPT. ChatGPT in education has many uses. Let's see some of them. Tutoring and personalized learning. ChatGPT was integrated into educational systems to provide real-time tutoring, offering instant feedback on student queries. It has been especially useful for subjects like mathematics, language learning, and programming. As an AI tutor, ChatGPT is able to adapt to individual students' needs, offering explanations and hints based on their levels of understanding. Writing assistance. ChatGPT's ability to generate text has made it a go-to tool for writing assistance, offering grammar corrections, paraphrasing suggestions, and even content generation. While this has been useful for students with language barriers or writing difficulties, it has also sparked concerns about over-reliance on AI for assignments. Accessibility and inclusivity. For students with disabilities, ChatGPT has helped break down barriers to education. Its text-to-speech capabilities and ability to generate content in multiple languages or formats have made educational content more accessible. Additionally, students who need individualized attention or extra help but cannot access it due to limited resources benefit from its personalized assistance. Collaborative learning. ChatGPT has been employed in group projects, serving as a facilitator or discussion partner for brainstorming sessions. It has also been used to model debate partners, helping students develop critical thinking by presenting counter-arguments or suggesting alternative perspectives. Administrative and organizational support. Educational institutions have also utilized ChatGPT to streamline administrative tasks, such as grading simple assignments, responding to students' inquiries, or generating summaries of class materials. This has freed up instructors to focus on more nuanced teaching tasks and direct interaction with students. Assessment and feedback. AI-based tools like ChatGPT can analyze student performance and provide instant, detailed feedback on assignments. This has helped students in self-assessment and revision, making the learning process more dynamic and less reliant on instructor availability. While ChatGPT offers numerous benefits, it has also been subject to various types of misuse across different sectors. These misuses often highlight the ethical dilemmas and challenges that arise when deploying advanced AI technologies. The misuses of ChatGPT. Academic cheating. One of the most prominent misuses of ChatGPT is in academic settings where students use it to generate essays, complete homework, or solve exam problems. Students may also use ChatGPT to produce answers for assignments and submit them as their own work. This practice undermines academic integrity and hinders genuine learning. Misinformation and fake news generation. ChatGPT can easily help students generate articles or content that appears legitimate, but is factually incorrect or intentionally misleading. This ability raises concerns about its use in creating fake news, conspiracy theories, and misinformation campaigns. Phishing and fraudulent schemes. ChatGPT has been exploited to create highly sophisticated phishing emails, fraudulent messages, and scams, leveraging its ability to produce human-like persuasive language. Creation of malicious code. While ChatGPT is trained to avoid generating harmful content, sophisticated prompts can sometimes lead to the creation of malicious code or exploits. Students with malicious intent have found ways to use the AI to generate code snippets for hacking purposes or cyber attacks. Plagiarism. A researcher might use ChatGPT to help write sections of a research paper but fail to attribute the generated content, which could constitute plagiarism. Fabrication of research data. A student working on a science project might use ChatGPT to generate fabricated statistical results for an experiment, claiming these results as real without conducting actual research. Misinformation and fake news. Students use ChatGPT to create a false news report on a political event, which is then shared on social media, leading to confusion and misinformation. Deepfakes and AI-generated content for identity theft. ChatGPT, along with other AI technologies, can be used to create highly realistic text-based interactions, impersonating individuals in text conversations. This poses a risk for identity theft and fraudulent activities. Now let's conclude. While ChatGPT has transformed communication, education, and other industries for the better, its misuse in areas like academic dishonesty, phishing, misinformation, and cybersecurity presents significant ethical challenges. Addressing these issues requires continuous improvements in AI safety mechanisms, regulations, and public awareness. Bibliography. Thanks for your attention.